I belong to a small village in Odisha. I started my journey from like a nearby government school and nearby college. Then I joined Speed, and the notes were very good. E-notes were very good. MCQs and giving grant test also very good. And I attended recall sessions of sir. It was also very good, and interview sessions that was also very good.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Nihar Ranjan Nayak for scoring a topmost rank of CML rank 2 and AML rank 1 in Super Speciality of DM Cardiology in session of INISS November 2023. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Great to have you in this session. And can we know a detailed background of where you started your career from till date, what all you have done?
Yeah, sir, I belong to Odisha. I started my UG from AIMS Bhubaneswar in 2015 and completed in 2020. And then immediately I joined MD Medicine in AIMS New Delhi in January 2021 session. And currently I am in my final semester exam going. So for last 5 to 6 months, I was preparing for cardiology.
So your primary interest is cardiology. How you got this subject as an option for you? Can you tell us about
that? Sir, actually, initially when I was in first year, I was more towards gastroenterology, but in second year of medicine, I was posted in cardiology, and for around 3 months after that, I developed interest in cardiology. And I started preparing around in April of this year and started from reading Brownwald. Like many of the seniors who are in cardiology, they advised to read from Brownwald. So I started reading important topics. And then around like 2 months before exam, I joined Speed. And the notes were very good. E-notes were very good. So it was mostly Brownwald West. So that helped me a lot. And I started doing MCQs and giving grant test also.
So Brownwald of 12th edition, the change of edition was there. And how far you are able to cover Brownwald?
I was able to read around 40 to 50 important topics, and some important topics I tried to read twice also. And it has around 100 topics. So seniors told to read around 60 to 70 important topics. I was able to cover 40 to 50 topics. I think that's important, one should read. But actually, you need time to read those topics. It's so vast.
So what about the videos? Are you able to look into the videos of Dr. Azim and able to see from
out? Yes, sir. Video I was seeing, I covered like around 50 to 60% video. I was not able to see all the videos. It was very good. And I attended the like recall sessions of sir. It was also very good. And interview sessions, that was also very good.
And the kind
mostly I like the e-notes. The e-notes are super. It was very good.
Yeah, because those are line to line from
yes, sir. And that is very, very helpful for INI, in my opinion.
How was your general medicine preparation? How was your
general medicine? Actually, for last 5 to 6 months, I was not able to give enough time. I did not give. So in exam also, this time the questions were tough as compared to before, as many people told. So I was also, my medicine part was not very good. I made so many mistakes and easy mistakes because I was not prepared for medicine. But cardiology was good. I was able to, like I got around, I think 41, 42 questions correct. I attempted 47 and I think hardly 5 or 6 were wrong. But in medicine, out of 29, I made, I think 8 or 9 mistakes.
But still it could compensate because of your strength in cardiology.
Yes, sir, cardiology.
So totally you attended all the 80 questions?
I attended 76 and I got around 58 point something. So I think 13 were wrong, I think. 13 to 14 I got wrong.
Great. Now, what is the message that you want to give to the future aspirants of DM cardiology?
Yes, sir. If someone is like starting to prepare from first year or second year, they have time, I'll advise them to read basics and important topics from Brownwald and to attend some coaching institute and see the videos that will help them to clear their concepts and to do regular MCQs. And most useful is to do the previous year MCQs. Most of the time there are repeats. This time also there are 2 to 3 repeats. That is very important. But those who are in final year and like me who are deciding to do in final year, it's like difficult to read the standard textbook. So they can watch the video, see the notes, make their own notes, and practice the MCQs and old recall questions.
Okay. Now, I want to ask you this question. Who recommended Speed for you to join?
My senior, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, what was your experience in Speed? I mean, how do you like the Speed
It's,
as a
it's
platform?
very good. It is very good and comprehensive. So I liked it very much, sir.
Now, definitely the team and Dr. Asim and all those
And
people.
in Speed also, there is the staffs has a regular contact with me. They send me WhatsApp updates regarding the like classes and recall session. That is also very good. I don't think other apps give that opportunity. I had regular contact with staff from Speed.
Yeah, it should not be like a kind of only an online platform where there is no human
Yes,
touch. I
sir.
mean, so people should definitely be interactive, and that's the reason why we always want to have daily classes.
Yes,
And
sir.
and to have any doubt, the student can log in and ask the doubt for the faculty, so that it
Yes,
is
sir.
engaging. And as we are also seeing 6 months and a year time, there is an update which are happening regularly. Guidelines are changing.
Yes, sir. And that is also one thing I will recommend, like those who are preparing to go through the recent guidelines, at least just 1 to 2 months before exam, they should read. Sometimes there will be at least 4 to 5 questions from guidelines also. They directly ask questions from latest guidelines and trials also.
Yes, doctor. How was your interview? I mean, can you tell us something on interview? How did you prepare for interview? What did they ask you?
Interviews, it was good. They asked me some basic questions. Like first they will ask about thesis and the outcome of thesis. And then second faculty asked me about reversible causes of heart failure, and I was able to tell something about that. And another faculty asked about new hypolipidemic drugs and about bumpidic acid. I could not answer about bumpidic acid. And another faculty asked about VT storm, and another faculty asked about TAVI contraindications and indications of TAVI. So it is good. I think they gave me 19 marks.
So it was a good score out of 20.
Yes, sir.
So that helped you and supported you to migrate from rank 2 to rank 1.
Yes, sir. I think in CML, rank 1 and me have same marks. We have equal mark based on age. I think they have decided the rank.
Okay.
And in AML, it became rank 1 and rank 2, 1 mark difference.
Yes.
He got 18, I think.
Yes. So there, it caused a change and it marked a clear way to AIMS Delhi. I mean, you are planning to take in AIMS Delhi, or I mean, what is your?
Yes, sir. I'm doing MD here. I know most of the faculties and senior residents here, so I'm planning to take here only.
So next super specialty journey also is in the same institute. Then it will be a great.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, doctor. Now, time to thank and whom all you wish to thank that they helped your career to migrate to this level of your success today.
Yes, sir. First of all, I want to thank God and my parents for always supporting me. I belong to a small village in Odisha. I started my journey from like a nearby government school and nearby college. Then I joined AIMS Bhubaneswar, and faculties there also helped me a lot. And here also, my friends, my seniors here, they have always guided me. Seniors in cardiology also, they have always guided me throughout this journey. So I want to thank all of them and all of my teachers, starting from my department, cardiology, and starting from in speed, Ajim sir. I want to thank them all for this opportunity.
Yes, doctor. Yes, doctor. In our journey and the travel with you, because each and every student has a personal manager, and you will also will have one person with you from Speed.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir. Mr. Dhanesh was there. He was very helpful.
Yes.
Very helpful.
Yes, in this journey, I mean, because from the feedback what we got, that you are so simple and very humble, and also very kind of say have that kind of a maturity and also the human touch, because once people migrate from one level to the next level, I mean, the things could change. I mean, nothing wrong in changing, and attitude could also change, but you have remained the same. Yes, from day one till date, and you have achieved the topmost rank in the country. but still your simplicity and humbleness is remarkable. And this is what will make a good doctor to a great doctor. So this approach and the attitude towards people will make the difference, because Mr. Danish could tell me, the relationship manager, said he was the same as I was handling him as a student for this class, and also after the topper. He is absolutely remarkable. He said, I need to appreciate on this platform to you. And you will definitely, I'll tell you today, you just mark this video will be available also. You will achieve a huge success in your career. Huge success in your career, because definitely you have a skill set that everybody can acquire over a period of time. But on top of the skill sets and the kind of success you carry in your shoulders and the balance that you have today, yes, remarkable. And we wish you all the best and all the success for a great cardiologist in evolving and making and to serve the people of the nation who is coming to you. Wish you all the best, doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.